Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you possible fixes to getting no service or emergency call only on your network. So if you are having this issue, I'm going to explain some few steps you can take to fix this issue. So firstly, scroll down to your control center and click on flight mode or airplane mode and turn it off back. So if you do this should refresh the status of your network, and if you do this and it isn't fixing your issue, then you just have to change the area you are in. Maybe the current area you are in has a poor network coverage, and if you change the area you are in and it's still giving you the same issue, then I think you have to visit a SIM outlet shop for your network. So by visiting them, then you'll be able to know if your line was bad or something, and you'll be able to find a solution to that issue. So those are just the steps you can take to fixing this problem. So thank you for watching this video guys. If you find it helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tips like this.